You happy here? You're not being very cooperative, my dear. You must know where your husband is. Was he devoted to you? Stop protecting your husband's memory, 73. He went to her hotel several times. And then there was the villa, of course. Let me show you just how loyal your dear husband is to you.
We've got nothing to talk about.
I want to talk about you.
You must be Anvil or Hammer.
Supervisor, number 2. Alert all posts. Special surveillance on number 6. Report any unusual activity to me personally. Or are you hiding something?
What do you mean, sir?
I mean, was there a message here and you're not telling me?
Why should I do that?
Perhaps you're in with him.
In with whom?
6. Number 6.
What's the verdict on our friend?
Friend.
Your report on number 2, Doctor.
Number 2. What are you talking about? Who is this speaking?
I understand. You'd rather not talk on the telephone. Probably very wise. Never mind.
I'll now show you the voice pattern of your caller.
I understand. You'd rather not talk on the telephone. Probably very wise. Never mind. I'll be seeing you later on.
Would you say that number 6 was mad?
Why don't you ask him?
Would you like to sit in this chair? I would merely suggest don't tell me what to do.
And here is a personal message for number 6.
He's undermining your authority. Give me the word.
You're alone. You have admitted it yourself. There is a name for that. Sabotage!
I have to report a breakdown in control. Number 2 needs to be replaced.